Hey guys, it's me, Lily. And today I'm about to get my hair extensions in. This is my friend Bella.
Hi.
You guys have seen her before. And I got sent the VP Fashion hair extensions from their company, and I'm really excited to try them out, and I'm getting them put in at a salon near me. It's not my usual salon because my hair stylist is like on a maternity leave. So yeah, and I'll let you guys know what happens.
Cause it's a bittersweet symphony this life. Trying to make ends meet, you're a slave to the money, then you die. I'll take you down the only road I've ever been down. You know, the one that takes you to the places where all the veins meet, yeah. No change, I can change, I can change, I can change. But I'm here in my mold, I am here in my mold. But I'm a million different people from one day to the next. I can change my mold, no.
I'm back. So it has been about 4 days since I last got my hair extensions in, and I wanted to give you guys a little update on how it's going. So I got the VP Fashion hair extensions sent to me. It's my honest review, but make sure to use the code Adlin for money off. I'm not getting commission for that. I just want you guys to get a discount. So yeah, make sure to use the code Adlin, and I'm going to link what type of hair I got sent to me all in the description down below, and I wanted to give you guys an update. So I absolutely love them. I did not think I was gonna love them this much. In the time from when you guys last saw me to now, I have toned it with a color depositing conditioner because the color was very yellow when I first got them in, and I know that the salon couldn't do anything about that because I didn't pay them to color, so I knew that it was kind of just like my hair matching that. So I used the color depositing purple conditioner on all of the extensions and on the front pieces of my hair so that it blends better, and I really like the lilac color that turned out. I adore it. Now, if you watch my videos, the last time I had long hair was my red hair, and that was all natural. So it's been a lot getting used to having long hair again, and I think a lot of my opinions that are gonna come are coming from me getting used to long hair. The weight and stuff, I'm just not used to it, but I adore it. And I have realized like what hairstyles I can do and I can't do. I can put my hair in a braid, but I can't put my hair in a ponytail, like a high ponytail, but I can put it in a low ponytail. So it's kind of just getting used to that. I think going into it knowing what you gotta expect, you have to braid your hair every night so it doesn't get tangled when you're sleeping. You have to make sure you style your hair every morning in a way that your tracks aren't gonna show. You have to make sure it's like blended, and I personally just don't want to leave my hair straight because I'm worried about how it looks blended. So I braided it, and that's still like I don't have to use any heat and it looks like good. So that's another thing. I really love the quality of the hair extensions. When I first was sent them, I kind of looked up a few like videos on VP Fashion hair extensions to get an idea of what their brand is like, and I saw that there were a lot of mixed reviews on them, so I was a little bit hesitant about the hair extensions, and I was very nervous. But when I brought the hair into my hair salon, I went to a different hair salon than I usually go to. This was like what I went to when I was younger. So when I brought them in, the woman said that the hair was actually very good quality, and I was a little bit surprised just because I didn't know what to expect, not because I made any presumptions. I kind of made some presumptions, but I was pleasantly surprised. I can feel the quality now. Like, it did get a little bit drier after the conditioner because it is a color depositing conditioner, so it's kind of like on the verge of a toner, and it dries the heck out of my own hair, so I kind of knew what to expect. But I really like it, and the texture has like been blending really well with my hair. And if you guys would like to see how a tape-in hair extension works, let me find like a track. There we go. So basically what this is, so this right here is like 2 wefts of hair. Basically it's 2 wefts of hair, each with tape on the side. And what you do is you put 1 weft, you stick it to your hair, you lift it up, and then you sandwich the second weft underneath so that it closes in on the first weft, and your hair is sandwiched in between, and that's how the hair extensions are done all over my head. Just overall really love them. Make sure to use my code LilyAdlin if you would like to buy a pair of extensions, because I definitely will recommend it. I'm actually loving them. I'll let you guys know how long they're gonna stay in my hair. If you guys would like me to do more videos talking about my hair extensions, if you have any questions, anything at all, make sure to leave a comment down below to let me know, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!